Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you will learn how to integrate with PayTabs through our PT2 API endpoints. And we will walk you through the fourth integration type, which is the own form. For the purpose of this series, we have created a very simple Laravel project to walk you through the integration process. But feel free to follow the steps in this series with your own project, whatever the programming language or the frameworks used to integrate with PayTabs. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about one of our follow-up transaction, which is the refund transaction and how we can refund the transaction. So let's get started. The first thing you should know is that you can find the full details for this part inside PayTabs support portal under the article called the Own Form APIs Integration Manual. From the integration manual, if we navigated to step 7 over here, we can see that step 7 is dedicated to manage your already existed transactions. So here, whenever you want to do a transaction to one of transactions that you have already initiated, this is the step that you could check. For this video, we are going to do a refund transaction, and you need to make sure that a refund transaction can only be done upon sale or captured transactions, meaning that the amount has been deducted from the customer bank and deducted and transferred to your account in order to refund it. So now I'm going to initiate a very simple sale transaction. So in order to do so, I need to make sure inside my configuration that I'm using the sale one. And now I'm going to initiate this payment simply like that, and using one of my test cards from here, like that. And once the payment is initiated successfully, now I will use this transaction reference to refund this payment, and I am only allowed to refund the cart amount or the transaction total or less to do a partial refund or a full refund, but I can do a refund with amount bigger than this amount, and of course I need to use the same transaction currency. So I'm going to get back over here, use this transaction reference to make sure it's the same, and I'm actually going to do a partial refund. So I'm going to refund only 50 Egyptian pound like that, and inside my request payload you can see over here that I have generated a very simple refund payload over here. This refund payload of course contains the transaction type of refund, and it contains the transaction reference that I have passed from here, and once I click on refund you will see that the refund was being done successfully. I have refunded 15 Egyptian pound back to the customer. This is how you can do a refund using our APIs in the own form integration type.